If you're out there looking for a manufacturer for your custom guide wires, here are some things that you should know.
Okay, the first consideration is your guide wire construction type. Standard construction guide wires consist of a core and the spring and sometimes a ribbon. If you wanted a stiffer guide wire, you might go with a Lunderquist design where you have a solid core with just a soft tip with a spring. And then there's also the hydrophilic coated guide wires, which are your nitinol core wires with a polymer jacketing with hydrophilic coating.
In order to select the proper guide wire, you need to identify what the proper OD is, what the length is, what that stiffness is, if there's a particular grind profile, as well as the core wire material, whether it be nickel titanium or stainless steel. In certain cases, the wire does need to be coated. One of the key aspects that ACME MONACO brings to the table is the level of quality. You can only go as far as our quality system, and with an extremely robust quality system, our customers are assured that they can rely on our product to perform as needed.
Good qualities on guide wires would be your steerability as well as the one-to-one torque ability. And if radiopacity is required, we can also have a radiopaque tip. Yeah, tips come in various configurations. The most popular ones are a straight tip, an angled tip, or a J-tip. But we can also do custom tips as well, as you can see here.
So we have the Slidewire referenced here. That's our nitinol core hydrophilic coated polymer jacket with tungsten embedded in that jacket for radiopacity purposes. That wire is for lubricity purposes. Once it's introduced into liquid saline, it becomes very lubricious. It's great for navigating those tortuous paths. Yes, so we can customize Slidewire based upon customer specifications, whether it be in 035, in 014, any sort of tip, whether straight, angled, radius. We're happy to take a look at those types of projects and work with our customers on that.
Yeah, so all of our guide wires are custom made to order. So the best thing to do would be to contact us to discuss your specific needs so that we can help you build the ideal wire for your application.
Especially if you're starting on a new project, you need to partner up with somebody who understands the need to prototype and then work from that phase out.